All right, Ray, so you're saying that we have a very Royce-alicious forecast in the works this week.
Yeah, Royce-alicious usually means hot and humid, just the way you like it.
Yeah.
This week is for you, Royce. Leading up to that, we have some liquid confetti for the part of that celebration. We have this light rain right now that's moving pretty much along the border with Beaver County and Lawrence County. This is lightened up. We had a couple sprinkles out towards Butler on Route 422. So Elwood City down to South Beaver, Beaver Falls, a couple sprinkles still left over there. We are watching some storms back in Ohio. These have had a history of some hail, and that hail was big enough for these to be classified as severe thunderstorms. There's still one severe thunderstorm warning left that is along and south of I-70 back there near Cambridge, Ohio. That's going to continue to move into the area, and we're going to see these storms overnight, especially Pittsburgh and south. That's where they're sort of going to favor, but a few of those showers could try to make their way up to the north as well. But the heaviest of the rain is likely going to be south of Pittsburgh. Hopefully they lose a little more steam between now and their arrival here in the next couple of hours. That's going to be arriving around 1 a.m., 12:30, 1 a.m. up on the state line, and then that's going to continue to move across the region through the first part of the morning commute. I think by mid-morning commute that should be done, and then by the time we get into the afternoon, we could see a couple pop-up showers and thunderstorms, sort of like they materialized today. Nothing big. I think these are bigger than what they're going to actually end up being in real life. But it's just the model's way of saying, hey, you're going to start getting some heat and humidity working together. We might need to address some pop-up thunderstorms. And we know summertime's here. You get those pop-ups when it's hot and humid, and that's going to be a trend. So right now we have these temps in the low to mid 70s in most cases. A couple 60s mixed into the bunch, but 73 Pittsburgh, 72 Katanning, Washington, 70 as well as Connellsville, Morgantown, and Uniontown. We have some clouds over Pittsburgh, but in spots we're still clear. One thing you may have felt over the course of the evening is that humidity has inched upward. So our dew points are now in the mid 60s to the point where it feels sticky outside to some, especially at nighttime. But if the sun popped out, you'd certainly know that dew point was in the mid 60s. So we have these temperatures right now that are in the mid 60s. We get down to the low to mid 60s for lows tonight. And we inch the temperatures up a little bit tomorrow. We're talking mid 80s for highs in many locations. And then those temperatures keep building up through the week, and we actually hit some 90s in there. But even the days like Wednesday and Saturday where we're not quite at 90 degrees with the humidity, it's easily going to feel like it. So just know this is going to be likely the hottest stretch of weather we've had all year. We could even see Saturday trying to touch into those 90-degree readings. And on top of that, we're going to have some sticky to extremely humid conditions over the course of that hotter setup with the weather or the temperatures. So just know tonight, a few showers and thunderstorms, tomorrow an early one, and then again maybe a pop-up in the afternoon. But at any point during this week, especially during the heat of the day, you could get one of those little pop-up showers or thunderstorms. That's just summertime weather here, especially when that summertime weather is starting to include temperatures in the upper 80s and low 90s. And with the humidity working with those days, it's going to feel more like the mid to upper 90s. So get ready for the heat, or as Royce would call it, Royce-alicious temperatures. Next week, we will start to cool it off, though.